Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best alkaline food chart is probably one of the most important tools for anyone interested in adopting an alkaline diet. This diet focuses on consuming foods that can help balance the body's pH levels, potentially leading to improved health and well-being. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great alkaline food chart and how it can help you make informed dietary choices. Number 5. Vegan Healthy Food Chart Guide, Fridge Magnet. Are you looking to eat healthier? This chart is designed to help you improve your diet. You'll find all the information you need for a perfectly balanced vegan diet. This chart highlights the best foods for each vitamin and mineral. It also provides valuable information about the benefits of each, helping you make informed choices. This chart boasts a stylish and unique design. It's made to fit perfectly into any modern home, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. With its magnetic backing, this chart easily attaches to your fridge. You can also display it on a wall or any other surface using stickers or a whiteboard marker. The amazing print quality ensures that you can read all the information from a distance. This makes it easy to quickly reference the chart while you're cooking or planning meals. Measuring 8.3 by 11.7 inches, 21 by 29.7 centimeters, this chart is the perfect size. It provides comprehensive information without taking up too much space in your kitchen. What we like. This chart is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to improve their diet. It's packed with information on vitamins, minerals, and the best foods to eat. The stylish design makes it a great addition to any kitchen, and the magnetic backing makes it super easy to display. If you're looking for a convenient and visually appealing way to stay informed about healthy eating, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Looking at the chart gives you that idea on what to add to your meals. Easy to see, easy to use, it is a magnetic sheet, so stays right on the fridge. Great conversation piece in the kitchen and a good reminder that not all minerals and vitamins come from animal products. Number 4. MedLab pH Test Strips, Home Health Monitoring Kit. Are you looking for a simple way to track your health? These pH test strips can help you monitor your pH balance. It plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal wellness. This kit includes 200 pH litmus paper strips, providing great value. This ample supply allows for frequent monitoring of your pH levels. It's essential for maintaining your health. Easily measure your pH levels with these strips for urine and saliva. You can get accurate results at home without any complex equipment. It provides quick and precise results in seconds. Experience medical-grade accuracy with these pH meter strips. They are designed to deliver precise pH readings from 4.5 to 9 in the comfort of your home. You can trust the results. Start keeping an eye on your health with these easy-to-use pH strips. Simply add them to your daily routine. Begin your journey to better health today. What we like. These pH test strips are a game-changer for anyone wanting to monitor their health. They provide accurate readings of your pH levels, helping you understand your body's balance. With a generous supply, you can regularly check your levels at home without any complicated equipment. If you are looking to take control of your health and monitor your pH levels with ease, you should definitely consider these. What people say. Strips are very easy to use, charts are easy to understand, detailed instructions are included in the box. MedLab pH test strips were easy to use and arrived quickly. They are easy to use and easy to read. Number 3. Alkaline Body Balance Booklet with Food Chart and pH Test. This booklet helps you understand the importance of pH balance. It provides valuable information to support your health journey. It's a great tool for anyone looking to improve their well-being. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive guide to alkaline and acidic foods. It includes a detailed food combining chart to help you make informed choices. This booklet is designed to be your go-to resource. The chart simplifies the process of choosing the right foods. It helps you understand which foods work well together. This makes it easier to create balanced and healthy meals. It comes with a sample shopping list and daily menu ideas. This helps you get started right away with an alkaline diet. It takes the guesswork out of meal planning. Each booklet includes free pH test strips. They are color-coded, handy, and portable. You can easily monitor your pH levels. For faster results, consider the Acid 2 alkaline supplement. It's designed to complement the information in the booklet. This supplement can support your body's natural balance. What we like. This booklet is a comprehensive guide to understanding alkaline and acidic foods. It includes a food chart, shopping list, and even a daily menu, making it easy to follow an alkaline diet. Plus, it comes with pH test strips to help you monitor your progress. If you're just starting out on an alkaline diet or need a handy reference guide, it's a great choice. What people say. Good resource. I learned some interesting new things about food preparation and the method of cooking that affects food's pH. This easy-to-read chart is loaded with a lot of detail on good or bad foods with the objective to become less acidic. They are like a laminate, so I can keep them for a long time. They are not like thin paper and will tear and roll in the corners. I can refer to this as I need to. I do wish the writing was a little bigger. Other than that, I love all the information it provides on it. Number 2. Permacharts Body Alkaline Guide, Balance pH Levels. Are you looking to understand and balance your body's pH levels? This guide is designed to help you. It provides a comprehensive overview of pH and its impact on your health. This quick reference guide is a 4-page laminated chart. It's designed for easy access and durability. It's a handy tool for anyone interested in maintaining a healthy pH balance. Your diet significantly influences your blood pH. This guide explains how your body adjusts in response to what you eat. It helps you understand the connection between food and your internal balance. Discover how to increase your pH levels effectively. The guide details alkaline foods and things to avoid. It provides you with the knowledge to make informed dietary choices. Packed with helpful charts, graphs, and even recipes. This guide simplifies the learning process. It also includes food combining tips to support your health goals. This is a great reference for holistic health, raw vegan eating, and overall improved health. It's a valuable resource for anyone seeking to improve their well-being. It is a great tool to help you on your journey. What we like. This laminated guide is a fantastic resource for anyone wanting to learn about pH levels and how to balance them. It covers everything from alkaline foods to recipes, all in a clear and concise format. The charts and graphs make it easy to understand the information. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to learn about pH levels and improve your health, this is the perfect guide for you. What people say. The chart is well organized and easy to read. It's a great reference tool for anyone interested in the alkaline diet. The information is accurate and helpful for making informed food choices. Number 1. ForSoi Healthy Food Chart, Fridge Magnet. Looking to eat healthier? This chart is packed with information to help you create a balanced diet. You'll find everything you need in one convenient place. Discover the best foods for essential vitamins and minerals. It also explains the benefits of each, helping you make informed choices about what you eat. This chart features a modern and appealing design. It's made to look great in any kitchen, adding a touch of style to your space. With a magnetic backing, it easily attaches to your fridge. You can also display it on a wall or other surface. It's designed for easy access to information. The high-quality print ensures all the information is visible from a distance. This makes it simple to quickly find what you need. The A4 size is ideal for any kitchen. It provides all the necessary information without taking up too much space. This design is exclusively owned by ForSoi Ltd. Any unauthorized use or reproduction is strictly prohibited and may result in legal action. All rights reserved. What we like. This chart is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to improve their diet. It's packed with information on vitamins, minerals, and the best foods to eat. The stylish design makes it a great addition to any kitchen, and the magnetic backing makes it super easy to display. If you're looking for a convenient and visually appealing way to stay informed about healthy eating, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Healthy food choices as a reminder of the variety on the refrigerator. Great food to vitamin mineral nutrient guide. This lists all the information you need to know and it's great quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.